Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Guess where I am? Downtown Disney. First time I've been here since the COVID lockdown, so pretty sweet. We're gonna try to grab some dinner and just kind of walk around. It took us an hour to get in, but we are finally in, and we're gonna go exploring. Some of the posters they have down here. Pretty sweet. Love that Mr. Toad is getting some shout outs. Chadwick Boseman painting, which is really cool. In Street Eats booth here in front of what used to be Rainforest Cafe. The Sugar Brew Company is still here. The Lego store. Tia Joe's seating outside, and now a 25% capacity inside. Ralph Brennan's Jazz Kitchen. Seating here, and I think we're gonna try to eat here. So we got a table inside Jazz Kitchen in this bar here. So they gave us these sanitizer wipes, and there's also of course machines everywhere in the lobby, and then these bags for our masks to keep them sanitized and clean while we eat. They just reminded us that if we need to use the restroom, which is out of the stores, put on the mask. So we literally just walked up, put our name in, and they asked if everyone was here. I said yes, and she said okay, be just a minute, and they seated us to our table. So that took us all but less than 30 seconds to get in here, so it's pretty great. Happy birthday. Sweet. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's our mint julep. Go closer look. And definitely taste the bourbon. They made it really well. So thanks to our waiter. Here's our pots. Javi ordered for the table. And some calamari. Sorry, the lighting is pretty low in here. Pots are really good though. They're like lightly breaded. There's some seasoning on it, which is nice.
It's just really nice.
Yeah, you like the calamari?
Yeah, it's nice and tender and juicy. You can taste the herbs.
Nice.
Like, it tastes fresh.
You like the sauce or no?
Yeah, this I don't know what it is.
Kind of like
really
Cajun
good.
sauce, right? I think it said on the menu, Cajun something.
Sriracha mayo,
Oh.
and then white sauce, Alabama white sauce.
Oh, okay. So it's a sriracha
Yeah,
mayo
sriracha
sauce.
in Alabama.
Nice. Cool. All right, our main courses are here. Here's my chicken Caesar salad.
Those look good.
Javi's
Even in my mouth.
pasta jambalaya.
Yeah.
And what did you get, Mercedes?
French quarter chicken salad with fried chicken.
Got it.
French quarter.
And Mars got the same.
Jambalaya pasta.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. So cool. We're gonna dig in, you guys, and we'll catch up with you here in a moment. Have something to eat, Mercedes. You're still not done.
Wow,
Wow, that's awesome.
I told
Look at that, beignets. All right.
a surprise.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mercedes. Happy birthday to you.
I don't want to blow it on the big nets.
They do look pretty good. So here,
They
just do a zoom in
look
shot
really
here on the beignets. All right, so we just finished our meal. It was really good. I think all of us are pretty stuffed though. As you saw, they brought out beignets for Mercedes for her birthday, which was pretty cool. So definitely had a great time. Good meal, good food. We're kind of settling up the bill, and then we're gonna wander through downtown Disney. And for your viewing pleasure, Javi Salgado. Hi. We're just gonna hold it awkwardly on him.
How was your first day
I want to show you guys the entryway here. There's seating up above. There is an elevator, stairs, and then this leads us back to downtown Disney. So that was a really good meal. You know, I don't know that I looked at my time when we got here. I want to say it was about 6:30. It's about 8:15 now, so we were We were in there for quite a while, but it was a real nice meal. Our server was great, and bringing out the beignets for Mercedes' birthday was really cool. It was a really nice touch, so we appreciated it. And they did honor our AP discount, which was nice as well, so that was great. Star Wars pop-up store here. Star Wars Trading Post here in downtown Disney. And it looks like we're getting a line for it. Cool, so we are in the Trading Post. Gonna check out some lightsabers. So look good. Finally see them all in this case. See Ahsoka's over here. So we have this one. We have Kylo's. It's actually Ben Solo's technically. And I got Obi-Wan's. This one in the back there in the... sorry. This one in the back here in the center. We have the child merchandise now, of course. The chest set. So this is $49. Shows us all the pieces, and I assume it tells you how to play. So you got more of the little monkey guys here. Remember, these guys were selling out when they first opened. So here's a little bit of a price on them. So Ahsoka, there's two of them. You get both hilts, and you have to buy the blades separately, of course. And like I said, we have Ben Solos. That's what Mars had. And then the Reforged Skywalker, so that's pretty cool. That's one Rey gets. So Hobby's checking out Mace Windu. And that's the 3-foot blade, so there is a difference. You can get a 3-foot or like a 2-foot maybe, 2.5. So he's getting a feel for it, seeing how he likes it. He may pick. Oh, looks like he's getting it, and the blade. Hobby's first lightsaber. Yeah. And they do come in these little cases, which is pretty sweet. Of course, Mace is going to be purple since his blade is purple. Yeah. Disney home store. Have some cool home goods, you know, stuff to decorate your house, kind of furnish it. A lot of kitchenware. See some pet stuff, clothing, and dishes and mats and things like that. So we've definitely bought some things from here, like soap dispensers and other stuff. Right now, obviously, Halloween's pretty big. So the Uva Bar is seating folks outside. You can see up top there. Ooh, I just forgot the name of the place. The beer and burger place is open. Ballast Point. Ballast Point upstairs there behind the Uva Bar is open. Sprinkles Cupcakes is still here, still open. You can kind of get an idea of crowd levels. Again, this is a Saturday night, about 8:30 p.m. They do close early. They are closing downtown Disney District at 9 p.m. So just keep that in mind when you guys come out. It's not the normal midnight. There's Ballast Point entrance. Wetzel's Pretzels are open. Look at the line for Marceline's. My goodness. It goes way over here, all the way up. Everyone trying to get their sweet fix on. Most establishments here at downtown Disney seem to be open. There's the dress shop. So I really think it's just about, you know, capping crowd limits. Obviously the parks aren't open, so naturally there's less people. So Javi got the child out.
I got my little guy.
What's up, little baby Yoda? He just hangs out on the shoulder. Nice. So it's about 8:45. The downtown Disney will close in about 15 minutes, so we are slowly working our way back to our car behind Paradise Pier. Starting to head out here, guys. Short line, we're gonna stop at the Penn Traders here, which is right next to the monorail station. We're just kind of taking a gander. We're now in this little shop area. Kind of the huge. I like some of these pens, they're cute. They are limiting the capacity, as you guys can see, but it's pretty calm in here. It's pretty nice. We weren't able to get into the World of Disney store, so this is actually the best what we're gonna do tonight. So kind of like, you know, better than nothing. But honestly, it's not so bad. We're starting to get tired, I think, too. So it may end up working out to be, you know, a good thing. We're not gonna be here too late. So, anyways, just kind of wanted to show you what was going on here in this little shop. Like I said, I don't see anything too new here. These are fun though. Alice in Wonderland's one of my favorite animated features, so always enjoy when they have merch from that film. I don't know if they have any special edition stuff in here. They do have some masks though. Let me just show you guys these. These are obviously new since the last time we were here. I am wearing the pumpkin mask. Oh, that's cool. They have a Star Wars one, and a Haunted Mansion one, and then characters, some Pixar stuff. I like this one too. It's a little more subtle, so that's pretty neat. I like this one. How much is this? It's $24.99. Oh, I like this one too. Oh, this one's some Halloween stuff. So these are kind of, I guess, for the now. The only problem I have is I don't see dates on them. Hands off my bounty. These little candies in the carbonite instead of any prisoner. That's pretty cool. I like that. Halloween merch. There's some over here. Monkey ears that light up, and necklaces, and little funny hats. Like Mars is over here looking at the masks. Yeah, I saw that inside the child. They have a few others over here. So the princesses and a few things. And they're $6 a piece. We got a lot of ears. Those ones are new. I haven't seen those ones. So here's a better look. They are like cork. So kind of like for food and wine or something. Here's another view of the lights. These do light up.
I just stopped being a nerd person.
Ooh, it's pretty intense. Oh, that one's better. There you go. Those are $10. I made the mistake of looking at these. These are a bunch of 65th anniversaries with select attractions that were probably here at park opening. Which is really cool to me. Why? Sorry, I skipped over Dumbo a little fast. There's the Jungle Cruise, Storybook Land Canal, Smart McQueen, Casey Jr. Utopia. But I like this one, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, 65th anniversary. So I'm going to get this. To be honest, I would like to purchase all of these. I think that's really neat. I love anniversary stuff. Robin Hood, because you don't see much Robin Hood stuff. Mars, she's got her necklace on, all lit up.
Got my pumpkins on.
It's got several different modes, so it flashes and does other things.
Yeah, look.
And it's got little pieces of like wrapped candy, candy corn, and jack-o'-lanterns.
Mickey jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, that's right. There are little tiny pumpkins attached to the jack-o'-lanterns to make it look like Mickey. Yeah, pretty sweet. So all ready for Halloween.
And on here, it says Halloween Party 2020. Mickey's Not So Scary.
It does have a date on it. That's cool. Yeah, so this probably would have just been for the season slash Halloween parties.
Because it's a Halloween party merch. It was on special from $15.99 to $10.
Nice. Save some money. 30%.
And you can apply your annual pass discount. You got another 20% off.
There we go. Saving money. Alright guys, so we're about to take off. It's getting late. They're closing down, so we're pretty much done here.
Yeah.
Even if we didn't want to be, there's nothing to do anymore. So
couldn't close down Disneyland, but we're closing down downtown Disney.
yeah, it's the best we could do, but it was a pretty good evening. We had a great meal at the Jazz Kitchen.
Yeah.
Javi got a lightsaber. We bought some merch. And now we got the trek back to the car and then back home to Burbank. So hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's been a while since we've been here at the parks, so even though we weren't at the parks, we were at least here on property. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good night.
Until next time.
Bye. First activity.